everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I announced yesterday over on my blog that my son had dress up day. So for those that want to participate, all you have to do is leave me a comment and let me know what you think he is, and I will announce the winner on Monday. All you have to do is send me an email with your information, your mailing address, and I will send you a cute little surprise. Doesn't cost anything to join, so come on, you guys. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think my son is going to be for dress up day today. He looked so cute. Welcome to all my new subscribers. For those of you that don't know, Friday, I like to either do a tip, a technique, or a trick. So for today, I wanted to tell you about our punch. I wanted to talk about our punches. And sometimes when we use our punches, they kind of become a little bit dull. So for today's tip, I wanted to show you how to resharpen your punching blade things. Now, I promise you my foil paper did not look like this, but this morning my son grabbed the roll and I didn't realize. So here is my foil. It doesn't usually look this bad. So he grabbed my foil. So just excuse my foil. I'm just going to grab a piece of foil. And some wax paper, you guys. And again, he ripped it off my roll. It doesn't always look like this. So we are going to take some foil and we are going to just fold it and we are going to feed it in our punch. And we are going to punch. And you're going to do this a few times. You're not just going to do it once, but you're going to do it a few times, and you're going to keep punching this foil. When you're finished punching the foil, what you want to do then is you want to take a piece of waxed paper, and you want to take your waxed paper and you want to punch as well. And what the wax paper is going to do is it's going to, because it's got this like a waxy film on it, it's going to help coat those blades. So I hope you found today's tip useful. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for stopping by. If you did enjoy this video, you guys, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US, you're interested in any of the products I used today, punches, I will have them linked down in the description below. I do post projects every weekday over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look, find some inspiration. But I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend. Again, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what my son is for costume day. Thank you so much. Take care.